Good morning, guys. So it is the bridal shower day and I'm so excited. So Sarah literally just got here. She hasn't seen anything. She doesn't know what the theme is or anything. So we are going to show her and I'm gonna surprise her. I hope she likes it. I'm so excited. This is like an unboxing, but house edition. Oh my gosh, that is giant.
It's a box. We got a box.
It's a box. The mama light and the baby light. Now that I think about it, you guys have probably already seen these. By the time you see this video, these will have already been installed. So this is our old rug. This is what we had back at our old house. A little bit small. The new one looks even better. It's like navies and grays and a little bit of warmth with ivory. It's actually a good opportunity for me to clean under the couch. Oh, it's gigantic. This is the final, what it looks like. I'm still getting used to it. It's so much lighter than our other one. This time we have Scotty Boo! We got a TV stand thing. I feel like this is that Friends episode where they get everything from Pottery Barn.
It's an apothecary TV stand.
We also have drapes going up today and we're setting up for Sarah's bridal shower. So Sarah's getting married in July. We're gonna set up everything. You guys can't hear me. And the whole theme of the bridal shower that Sarah doesn't know it yet, but we're doing a whole like bee theme because we call her Bee. That's her nickname. She's Auntie-Bee. It's just her thing. She's like Sarah Bear turned into Sarah Bee.
And they're in beehives.
Stop, no way. That's amazing. It's gonna be the big floral kind of centerpiece arrangement to go with the whole like hive theme, and that's gonna go above the fireplace. So we just took everything down and we're gonna set this all up. It's gonna be like a little photo area and just that's gonna go. And then we're changing up the TV stand because we're gonna be renovating the basement. So we have some space down there. And so that's gonna go down there. And then the new one's gonna go up here. Look how everything is coming together. We put up little lace curtains just for the party because they just add this nice like vintage vibe. We have a little area where she can open gifts, which also has a My Little Pony on it. And then a nice little setup here with the flowers and everything. So adorable. So now we just have to get all of this all organized and cleared up so we can have, we made 2 like little drinks and named them after her. So like signature cocktails type thing. Looks so good. You put the doors on correctly this time.
6 times the charm.
Lois, stop cleaning my kitchen.
I'm a little more, if you get it from back here, then I look like I'm doing it with flowers in the background.
You are the fanciest.
It's kind of like having my own dishwashing backdrop. Bougie.
So bougie. So now we have to get like all the toys and stuff all picked up, which I mean is pretty good. And then I'm just gonna stick everything else in the basement, cause that's what you do. You just put it in the basement. Okay, friends are here. Friends are here.
Thanks for being here. Please help yourself to a lipstick.
And there will be lipsticks here. Little lipstick
This
garden.
literally looks like a wedding esque thing.
Yeah.
You know,
Did you see the middle? In here?
No. Oh my goodness! It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh! Everything's like lace and beautiful.
Isn't it so nice?
Okay, like this actually looks like a wedding though. Like, okay, I'm just gonna transport this all to my wedding.
We're just gonna use that. Do you see the sign?
Love as sweet as honey. Love it. Like, is there like a theme maybe, like bees or?
I
like,
don't
is
know.
that
We were
what
thinking
they're-
spiders because that's what Luke says they are.
This is me. I love it.
Yay! Now we're gonna do makeup! Look at you, so cutesy. Ooh, so structured and so flouncy. Where is it from?
Guess.
Yeah. Do I have to guess?
No.
Oh, Lewis, you showered.
She's young. She showed up in not ready to work clothes. I'm not changing to that. Has to.
You can see we have all of our makeup out. And we're doing makeup on a little beat. We're gonna do nice and light. Caroline's going to curl her hair, so it's gonna look so good. Okay, hair done, makeup is done. Okay, so this one is I Said Yes, and that one is Wifey. Ooh, I would say this one only because it's bridal, and she's not a wifey yet.
I mean, I guess, but this holds more mimosa.
Oh, good point, good point. Hi,
Hey,
the only
so
boy.
Just doing some meal prep.
You know, just doing some prep, being helpful.
why are you not
You're not even the groom.
No,
I mean,
I'm
you
not, I'm not
are.
allowed to be here during.
No.
Before and after.
You're marrying this one.
It's true.
Look at it. Look how artsy.
Oh,
Here's my question.
nice.
So first of all, yeah,
Okay.
obviously beautiful.
Beautiful.
And then,
Okay.
does the boursin, is it more appealing to stay in the tin foil, Or do we take it out?
So I would say, like, should we put like half of that on? Because I feel like that's a lot, right?
Everyone loves boursin.
Yeah, well, everyone does.
Your daughter really
The
loves
commercials say so.
Okay, so like maybe I could do it like that. Oh! Okay, it's going there.
Then we need like little knives for these. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Oh, cute.
The trick is to have a little name card so you can pretend it's not Nestea.
No, we made it from scratch. It has lemon in it. That's how you know.
Fancy.
Fancy.
Hashtag Martha Stewart.
And then mimosas for the Sarah Stinger. Going with the theme. Yeah, well, not yet, but there will be right there.
No, but honestly, now it's noon. Like we may as well get some. Turn the other way.
Hi, look at your face. Now the shower's over, and now we get pizza. I'm watching where I'm going so I don't trip and fall. Look at that. Mimosas.
Mimosa.
Yes, mimosa. Oh, yes. Sarah Stinger. Here we go. Cheers to Sarah. Woo!
Yeah, that tastes right.
You deserve that.
she gets
Every
eaten.
inch of it. Yeah, that's true. I'm having some Hawaiian pizza. It is the best kind of pizza. I'm just saying. Events that I host are the best because I never have to do anything. Your highlight is
You know
on.
what's funny? I didn't have this on all day, and then when I went upstairs, I saw your highlight, and I was like, well, I'm gonna use this. And then
Which highlight was it?
on your bathroom counter.
You're gonna get it, aren't you? Because your highlight is like on point. Oh. Thanks. Which ones did you use?
Which ones? I
Oh, do you
used-
just
I used one on.
that one?
Yeah.
I like to mix these three together.
I liked this one a lot because I thought that was a very curly, pretty one. As y'all know, Dibs likes to swatch highlight on his phone. I was feeling like aggressive gold, and I was like, yeah, why not?
Yeah, I was into it. And now I'm gonna go and help pack up everything. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys found it fun and entertaining, and I hope you enjoy the vlogs. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy them and you want to see more of them in the future. That's everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing weekend, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you, girls. Mwah. Hate you.
Are these yours?
I saw you.
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah.
You can't tell them what I did, so.